Tribal Noping Mashun Shakarna Yankai de Kalemaram Tribal Youth Council Manipurna Jingmerong Kapuiko Katana Pingli Chanpei Sahir Shakarna Cancer Treatment Kambataya Sadakuya Crore Tingatum allocate Sahira Gaji Union Health Minister and Hanghaira Ringyaophi Aje Tangkhul Express Pvt Bao Ringyaophi Ningshen in the Pamidale Bao Bing Maisaina Nangrumsa Manipurli Ledakle Tribal Noping Mashun Kala Shakarna Yankai de Kalemaram Thang a Sakta Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters na Jingmerong Kapuikul Imphal Way Yari Minganin Pingli Krajan Kasa Sampanghaira Jingmerong Kapuikul We Village Authorities Youth Club Kala Women's Organization de TYCM na Ayang Ashun Ngasoba Magajipao Shoka Kazib Chili Tribal Communities Pingwe Kasa Kachot Kalemaram Ngadada Ngasanam Take a Kui Ngatsing Rokta TYCM GHQ we President Kala General Secretary na Katana Ping Chili Tribal Rights Kala Shorkarwe Yangkhara maleilak and Directorates of Tribal Affairs and Hills Department Tribal Research Institute TRI Manipur State Commissions for Scheduled Tribes MSC ST Kala Manipur Tribal Development Corporations Limited MTTC hi Pinghili Matada Mayang Sang Kamimaram Hangjateya Village Authority Youth Club Kala Women's Organizations we Katana Ping Jinala Atum we take a quick Hangjite Tribal now being na Ngasungda Khalei Maram Ngadada Hangjiteya Maram hi Council Jina Janbao Mikashok Atishurda Jingmerong Kapuikul we Yari Katana Ping Jina TYCM na issues raised Kasachili Katomtheilak Manipur Tribal now being wuivang Makhangapata Kakatom Miragaji Hanghaira Gazib Chili TYCM we meeting President Momo Tantanka Nathanda Executive Council members Panga Zangashi Indian Shakarna Cancer Kangaha hi Kamataya Sata Kuida Khalei Gaji Health Minister na Hanghaira Aya Union Health Minister JB Nadana Gahang Cancer Treatment hi Policy Kasem Bing wuivang Kamataya Maram Ngasai Kala Cancer Ngahakavai Luba 3,000 crores allocate Sahira Gajihanga. Maram hi Maharashtra Jahadrabadi Samaji Nagarli Khalei State Cancer Institute li Radiational Oncology li Shikajin Akab Trupim Facility Tharkat Kakamili Kahangna. Cancer treatment hi top priority Sadakuya. Screening in the directions we baseline Madai Sanghaira da Nadana Hanga. 1,75,000 Ayushman Arokya Mantrisli Oral Press Kala Cervical Cancer Screening Sahira Zingum Tumraka Hyping Screening Mandatory Semi Hira Kala Cancer Treatment Wuivang Luba Crores Tingatum allocate Sayagaji Union Health Minister Chinakahang PIP Pao Sampang Mizoram African Swine Fever ASF na Hok Tingatum Gada Tilu Hira Agajanga Hokmao Rangayao Luishit Kajiena Hok Gati Machine 3,050 Kahaira the officials na Kuptang Hanga. Mizoram Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department AHVD District Madi Saiha Luang Lai Lunglei Gala Mamit We Tang Hang Madi the Turuk ASF infected zone Sada Ngavau Mihaira. Hangdakalai district Pinji Myanmar in Bangladesh li liret kasa pamna the cross border transmissions we ning kakharik leya ASFG Saiha district li Zakshimethui sajadale abam jili hok 1651 gadati haira the hanga Myanmar in Bangladesh khanini li liret kasa Luangtai town hila hok 1189 gadati haira jia Hokmao Gaza District Pingjili AHVD Deems na Hok Tingka Gada Sadathaira. Twiga High Habdali Ngadam Laga Hok Gati Machine Sudaba Man Kajitekuya the AHVD officials na hanga. Situation Jisre Salak in a layer Gaji officials Jin hanga. Mizoramli Hokmao ASF Atakum Zida Luba 336.49 crores Tanner Hawa Hok Things rather Pangaka the Tisangam. Killa Kazachi Mangayao Kavai the Hog 24,200 Kada Sadathawachi. Mizoramli SF Marlakina Zatkapok 2021 Moyokachang aina haupokta jiwena lupa ta khaner 896.69 crores ka haira jidle hokmau na saka zathaida sarkar na la khangachon miata officials china hangsang Jurachanpur in a Kakching Ngachaili insurgent na Kudlai Haigasa security force na Pakui Haira. Kakching district shong Jurachanpur Ngalem, Moldin Jam village li Guptangator security force na Pungmadigada cordon and search operations fire. Jili Kudlai nga the self-loading rifles, SLR, live rounds, single barrel guns, bolt action rifles, Bambi mortar shells, high explosive, grenades, SLR magazines, INSAS magazines, bore cartridge, 7.62 mm live round, 7.62 mm case, 51 mm mortar cover, tube launching, tear gas shells SN 3 stun shells, tear gas shells, 2 smoke shells, 2 barrel shells, bulletproof vest, helmet, blue turbulent color, piston bag hipping sampangachi. Security na pagakui kudlai wat pingji Sangnu police station ni Misanghai Tahanga. Fit India Sunday on cycle the nationwide campaign Aya Sports Authorities of India SAI NERC Infal take health complex li Kwikahira. Cycle rally G SAI NERC complex Infal wina hapok the Malom all depot Vashung laga SAI NERC Infal li Hanunga. I debought Hishura cycle rally jili mi shaka hang pangana shiro kuyam. Kala rally ji masowo Manipur Joint Director IPRL Ashok Kumar na hapok miya. Haukapok ang rana ngi jili Laijing L Marine Assistant Director Person Admin SAI NERC Infal Laishram Shamritya Singh Assistant Director Kalo India SAI NERC Infal Pushpa Maibam Media and Communication Officers PIB Infal Gala and Nando Assistant Director News DDK Infal Gala officials Kadela Wazanga. El Ashok Kumar na Kamatuli Itumwi Tangthangwi Mirinli cycle Katawi Kapa Kasatsang. Pasapa Kamay Mirin Tongkavai Tangkhali Pung Makai Mangla cycle Tongkavai Saluda Ashok Kumar na Kasatsang. Fit India Sundays on cycle Angrana Ngeji Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports na Makok Kamina. Infal East in Infal West strong security force kala state police operations kazali proscribed outfits nga data wimi trada khani tukhuhaira. Police report athishurda band Bombay lead United National Liberations Front we get raised madi kala athomni khangasunt miakha wangkhel thangkapat maban Infal East li direct magada thruk tukhuyam. Atum Infal da bagbamli extortions kala luba tongkhavai da miwi maramli tanti eina wagazang ot sawachi. Atum muli legasa life rounds mobiles kala 4-wheelers kwimi haira. Security force na Bribag Pro wimi aka Infal City sewage treatment plant ngalemli tukuya. Awi eina mobile handset kani kala Aadhaar cards kwimi haira chi. Tukui ka hai miji thui ka hai hapdali Infal East District Pamond Lekaili Case Agency Shungkamili Zangadahang. Balgam terror attack probes Othnurut Ministry of Home Affairs and National Investigation Agency NIA Mihaira. IGDIG Gala SP Akanan Thanda anti-terror agencies with team na Ochochwi eyewitnesses examine satellite NIA na hanga. Zakshila ka hai attack Ochochi may sai na Tangkhul Khavai atumni magub makailagay na kangahan satellite hanga. Ate kasaji ningrin ye kazakzakta kasana kaji jithekavai team jina forensic eina experts kadeng soda ochotpam jile examine sadale direct magadakhani tang Jammu and Kashmir Bahalgam li khalei by currently mi magadathru kapchat kahaina terror attack chiwena kan kashok pingwi statement kuptang 3 members NIA team na record sahira agencies na local terrorists radamati we aming Pongmida Chishat, Lashkar-e-Taiba LEG-Wimi, Jaish-e-Mohammed JM Wigatum, Hizbul Mujahideen HM Wigatum Zangagala, Atum Bingji, Ariri Kashmir Valley active satellite officials na HT Li Hangam, agencies na kahang abam jili active terrorists hang panga, hang turukadale, kala machut, kui kahai kala address zangda details te kui kahai trada Medina hanga. Security force na JNK li crackdown sakjang the terrorist jugo wishim sak yangmi haira. Jammu and Kashmir police na balgam ocho terrorist ping jiwe azagek shokta aming Adil Hussein Thogar Ali Bhai alias Dahalka Bhai kala Hashim Musalia Suleiman atum na da pongmia. Jiwe ngajali LED operatives Musai eina Dalha Pakistani terrorist na da ningmong. Kala Thogar goho akana Kashmiri local na dahanga. Hang the khalei terrorist ping with informations kamili luba saman lak makamira da ngawaw haira. Ladluida ajawi kamdaya pau ping. Tribal no ping with mashun sarkar na yangkai de khalei maram Tribal Youth Council Manipur na jingmei rong kapui ko kathana pingli chan pei saira. Sarkar na cancer treatment hi kambataya sada kuya crore tingatum allocate saira gaji Union Health Minister na hang haira. Aji bao hiling jang haira bao ngana da khlei Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala kamhai zingmichong sa serano.